today's maths class, and today we'll do basic geometrical concepts. First is geometry. So what is geometry? Geometry is the branch of mathematics that deal with points, line, angles, shapes and solids. To draw geometrical figures accurately, we need the geometry box. A geometry box contains the following things: 2 set square, a protector, a compass, divider, measuring scale, a pencil and an eraser. All these things are in our geometry box. In this chapter, we will learn about the points, line and angles. First is point. A point has no shape or size. Point का कोई shape और size नहीं होता. It is just a dot made on a paper. It is a geometrical shape. It has no length or breadth. All geometrical figures are made of points. Points are named by using capital letter like A, B, C, D, etc. Point को हमेशा capital letter से denote करते हैं. Next is line. A line is a straight path which has length but no breadth or thickness. It can be extended to any length on both sides. To show this, arrowheads are drawn at the each end of line. There are two ways of naming the line: by writing single small letter of the alphabet such as L, M, P, etc. by the side of line, or by taking 2 points, say X and Y, on the line as shown below. Then this is a line. So here written as XY or YX. कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं line को? It is read as line XY. Next is line segment. A part of the line is known as line segment. Line का एक part जो होता है, that is known as line segment. Or the portion of the line with two endpoints, say X and Y, that is line segment XY. Next is ray. A ray is a straight line which has a definite starting point but goes infinitely in one direction. So ray में क्या होता है? One side arrow है. So here AB is a ray. Starting point क्या हो जाएगा? A, and intending point in the direction of AB. So A इसका starting point है and one side arrow means in one direction we can extend it infinitely. Clear? Next is exercise 1.1. Classify the following as point, line, line segment and ray. First is P. P is here a point. Clear? Next is angles. When two rays meet at a common endpoint, an angle is formed. The common endpoint is called the vertex and the two rays are called the arms of angle. To name an angle, the vertex is written in the middle and the point of the two arms are written on its either side. In the given figure, the angle shown read by angle QPR or angle RPQ. PQ and PR are the two arms of the angle. This is an angle 2. इसकी sides हो जाएगी, arms हो जाएंगी PQ and PR. And दोनों जहाँ पे meet करते हैं, that is the common point, that is known as vertex. जब भी angle का name लिखते हैं, we'll write the vertex in middle. Clear? So we can name it like QPR or RPQ. Next is measuring angles. Angles are measured in degrees. A complete turn about a point is divided into 360 degree. एक complete turn, एक point कह रहा हूँ complete turn, that is of 360 degree. Each part measured 1 degree. Therefore, the complete turn about a point measured 360 degree. A protractor is an instrument for measuring the size of angle. To measure an angle, say angle AOB with the protractor. This is a protractor. You can find it in your geometry box. This is used for measuring angles. Place the protractor on the given angle such that the baseline of the protractor coincide OA and the center of the protractor coincide with the point A, vertex of the angle. Starting from the mark O, move along the curved edge of the protractor and read the mark through which the other arm OB passes. In this case, we find that it passes through the mark 40 degree. So we'll say the measure of angle AOB is 40 degree. We write it as angle AOB 40 degree. Suppose we have to measure this angle AOB, so what we'll do? We'll take the protractor and the center point that should be on vertex and this line that should coincide with this ray. Now हम इसमें देखेंगे कि OB कहाँ पे meet करती है. So we'll read the protractor. इट हैज़ 2 स्केल्स. सो हम क्या करेंगे, जहाँ पे भी 0 डिग्री है वहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. यहाँ पे जहाँ पे भी 0 डिग्री होगा वी विल टेक दैट स्केल. सो वी कैन सी ये कहाँ पे आ रहा है 40 डिग्री पे. सो मेजर क्या हो जाएगा 40 डिग्री. नेक्स्ट इज ड्रॉइंग एंगल्स यूजिंग प्रोटेक्टर. वी कैन ड्रॉ an angles using a protector. To draw an angle is 70 degree. Follow the step. Draw a ray OA about 7 cm. Place the protector firmly on the line OA so that the center is at the point O and straight edge along OA. Holding the protector, mark the point B at the 70 degree division from 0. Remove the protector and join OB and produce it. Thus, angle AOB is the required angle 70 degree. Suppose we have to draw an angle 70 डिग्री. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, एक रे ड्रॉ करेंगे. सपोज दिस इज अ रे ओ ए. नाउ विल टेक द प्रोटेक्टर एंड द सेंटर पॉइंट जो होगा दैट शुड बी ऑन दिस पॉइंट ए एंड दिस लाइन दैट शुड बी अलोंग विथ ओ ए. नाउ हम स्केल लेंगे एंड देखेंगे यहाँ पे जहाँ से भी 0 डिग्री स्टार्ट होता है एंड विल सी कि कहाँ पे 70 डिग्री है. लाइक वी कैन सी इनर स्केल जो है वो 0 पे यहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है. तो इनर स्केल में जहाँ पे भी 70 डिग्री होगा मार्क दैट पॉइंट एंड उसको हम इससे ज्वाइन कर देंगे. सो दिस एंगल विल बी ऑफ 70 डिग्री. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज 7.2. नेम द एंगल्स इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर इन 2 डिफरेंट वेज. सो हियर वी कैन नेम इट एंगल CAB और एंगल BAC. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट इज types of angles. Angles can be classified into following categories according to their measure. First is acute angle. An angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. ऐसा angle जिसका measure 0 degree से ज़्यादा हो but 90 degree से कम, that is called acute angle. Like here, it is an acute angle. Next is right angles. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called right angle. जिसका भी 90 degree होगा angle का measure, that is right angle. In figure ABC 90 degree, hence it is a right angle. Next is obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. जिसका measure more than 90 but less than 180 degree, that is obtuse angle. In figure angle ABC is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, hence it is an obtuse angle. Next is straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called straight angle. In figure ABC जो angle है that is of 180 degree, straight line, so that is a straight angle. Next is exercise 7.3. Classify the following angle as acute, obtuse or right angle. Here the measure of angle is 90 degree, so it is a right angle. Next is parallel lines. Look at the pair of straight lines shown the given below. Here in figure A, line AB and CD intersect at O. Line AB और CD एक दूसरे को कट कर रही है point O पे. In figure B, when the line AB is produced toward the point A and line CD is produced toward the C, they intersect at O. अगर हम इस लाइन को प्रोड्यूस करेंगे इस डायरेक्शन में आगे बढ़ाएंगे एंड इसको यहाँ तो ये पॉइंट O पे इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी. क्लियर. In figure A and figure B, line AB and CD are intersecting line. Figure C, the lines AB and CD are being produced on either side do not intersect. यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे लाइन को कितना भी एक्सटेंड करें, they will never intersect each other. Clear? Straight line which do not intersect or meet at any point on being produced on either side is said to be parallel lines. ऐसी line, straight line जो कभी भी एक दूसरे को intersect नहीं करती, उनके बीच की जो parallel distance है that remain the constant, that are called the parallel lines. Here are some examples of parallel line that we see around us every day. Railway track, bars in the window and lines in the notebook. All these are examples of parallel lines. If line AB and CD are parallel to each other, we write it as AB is parallel. This is the sign of parallel. CD, the symbol parallel, that means parallels. ये जो symbol है ये show करता है parallel को. Next is to draw the line segment through a point P parallel to the line AB. Step 1. Take any set square, place one edge of the right angle along the line AB. Place the scale along the longest side of set square, pressing the scale with one hand so that it remain in position. Slide the set square until the edge passes through the point P. Make sure that when you are sliding the set square, its longest edge is always in contact with the edge of scale. So, step 4 क्या हो जाएगा? Draw line segment along the edge of the set square passing through P. This is the required line segment. So, सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? सेट स्क्वायर लेंगे, ये ए बी है, इस पर इस तरीके से सेट स्क्वायर को रखेंगे एंड लॉन्ग साइड जो है सेट स्क्वायर की, वहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? स्केल रखेंगे इस तरीके से एंड फर्मली इसको होल्ड करेंगे सो इट विल नॉट मूव. देन विल मूव द सेट स्क्वायर लाइक दिस, के अलॉन्ग मूव करेंगे एंड जहाँ पे पी पॉइंट है, पी पॉइंट पे जहाँ पे भी पहुँचेंगे वहाँ पे हम लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. सो यहाँ क्या हो जाएगी? ए बी के पैरेलल एक लाइन ड्रॉ हो जाएगी. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस. नाउ लुक एट द लाइन ए बी एंड सी डी इन द फॉलोइंग फिगर. ए बी एंड सी डी क्या कर रही है? इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है ओ पॉइंट पे एंड मेक 4 एंगल्स, 1 2 3 and 4 angles. Clear? In figure B, the line ABCD intersected O. When produced, they form only one angle. Figure C, line AB and CD intersected O. 2 angles are formed. Measure all the angles formed at 3 figures. तीनों में अगर measure करेंगे, you will find out all these angles of 90 degree or right angle. If lines AB and CD intersect in such a way that each of the angle formed is right angle, they are said to be perpendicular to each other. In short, we write AB is perpendicular to CD. This is the sign of perpendicular line. Means intersect करे and जो point intersection है वहाँ पे 90 degree का angle बने. The symbol, this means perpendicular to the adjacent sides of your geometry box are the perpendicular to each other. The adjacent sides of the walls of the classroom are perpendicular to each other. Look at the pair of set square in your geometry box. They are both in the shape of right angle triangle. The two edges contain the right angle are perpendicular to each other. Next is to draw line segment through a point P perpendicular to line AB. So step 1 क्या हो जाएगा? Take a set square, place one edge of the set square along the line AB. Place the scale along the longest side of the set square. AB हम ले लेंगे, P point mark कर लेंगे. We'll take the set square and इस तरीके से हम स्केल को रखेंगे. Clear? Next, pressing the scale with one hand, slide the set square until the edge perpendicular to the one touching lines passes through the P. So इस तरीके से मूव करेंगे कि P से पास हो जाए. Draw the line segment along the edge passing through the P. जहाँ से P पास हो रहा है वहाँ पे हम एक line segment बना देंगे. This is the required line segment. Next is exercise 7.4. Look at the figure of cube on the right. Name any two sets of parallel line segment. So parallel line segment, here you can see BC that is parallel to FG. Another side which are parallel, BF is parallel to CG. Clear? Next is kinds of triangles. A triangle is a three-sided closed figure. Triangle क्या है? Three-sided का closed figure. It has 3 vertices and 3 angles. 3 vertices A, B and C. 3 sides हो जाएंगी 1, 2 and 3 angles. Clear? Triangle can be classified either by its side or by its angle. Next is types of triangle on the basis of side. Side के basis पे triangle को कितने part में divide करते हैं? Triangle are of 3 types based on the length of side. First is equilateral triangle. EQ means equal. Lateral means side. When the 3 sides of the triangle are equal in length, it is known as equilateral triangle. Triangle LMN, यहाँ पे क्या है? All 3 sides. MN 4 cm है, LM 4 cm, LN 4 cm. All 3 sides are equal. That means it is an equilateral triangle. And in equilateral triangle, all 3 angle will be equal. L, M, N तीनों angle क्या हो जाएंगे? 60 degree. Next is isosceles triangle. When any 2 sides of the triangle are equal in length, it is known as isosceles triangle. Triangle OPQ, OP and OQ 3 centimeter है. These sides are equal. It is an isosceles triangle. The angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. So P और Q भी equal हो जाएंगे. Angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. Next is scalene triangle. When all the three sides of the triangle are unequal, तीनों sides अलग अलग measure की हो, so that means it is an scalene triangle. In triangle RST, RS 3 cm, ST 2 cm and RT 6 cm, all are of different measure. That means it is an scalene triangle. All angles of scalene triangle are different measure. In other words, all angles are unequal. Next is type of triangle on the basis of angle. Angle के basis पे हम triangle को कैसे divide करते हैं? First is right angle triangle. A triangle with one right angle is known as right angle triangle. The side opposite to the right angle is the largest side is called hypotenuse. अगर कोई भी एक angle है वो 90 डिग्री का है, that means it is right angle triangle. राइट एंगल के अपोजिट की साइड होती है वो सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट साइड होती है, दैट इज नोन एज हाइपोटेन्यूज. ट्राइंगल ए बी सी यहाँ पे बी पे 90 डिग्री का है, ए सी जो उसके अपोजिट में है दैट इज हाइपोटेन्यूज. नेक्स्ट इज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्राइंगल. अ ट्राइंगल विद वन ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल इज नोन एज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्राइंगल. इन ट्राइंगल डी ई एफ, ई कितना है 125 डिग्री, सो एनी वन एंगल इज ऑब्ट्यूज, दैट मीन्स it is an obtuse angle triangle. Out of three angle, only one angle can be obtuse. Next is acute angle triangle. A triangle with all three acute angle is known as an acute angle triangle. तीनों angle acute हो means less than 90 degree, more than 0 degree. So in triangle PQR, angle Q and angle R, all are acute. Less than 90 degree, that is an acute angle triangle. Remember, an equilateral triangle is an acute angle triangle and the measure of its each angle is 60 degree. Equilateral triangle में क्या होगा, तीनों angle acute होंगे और equal होंगे, उनका measure कितना होगा 60 degree. The two angles in each case of right angle and obtuse angle triangle are acute. In an isosceles triangle, angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Next is some properties of triangle. First, measures of angle. The sum of three angle of triangle is 180 degree. Proof. Draw a triangle STU on the piece of thin cardboard and cut it out. Now label the three corner as 1, 2, 3. इस तरीके से label कर देंगे 1, 2, 3 and snip off the three corner of the triangle with the help of the points you have marked. Arrange the piece as shown below. इस तरीके से हम उनको arrange कर लेंगे. So you will see at the O, their angle T, U and S are placed together. Three angles together measure 180 degree. Angle 1, 2 और 3 अगर तीनों को measure करेंगे that is equals to 180 degree. Thus we conclude that the sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree. Note, this is true for any type of triangle. सारे triangle में जो sum of three angle होगा that is of 180 degree. Next is measure of side. The sum of any two sides of triangle is always greater than third side. किसी भी two side का जो sum होगा वो always third side से greater होगा. For example, in triangle ABC, AB 3 cm, BC 6 cm, CA 5 cm. So AB plus BC means 3 plus 6 that is 9 greater than third side that is 5 cm. BC plus CA 6 plus 5 11 greater than 3. CA plus AB 5 plus 3 8 हो जाएगा. Third side कितने 6 उससे greater हो जाएगा. Next is quadrilaterals. Quad means 4, lateral means side. Polygon with have 4 sides and 4 angles are called quadrilateral. A diagonal is a line segment that joins the opposite vertices of the quadrilateral. It divides the quadrilateral into two triangles. There can be many types of quadrilateral based on the properties of their sides and angle. Some special quadrilateral are given below. This is a rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus and trapezium. All these are examples of quadrilateral. Special feature of these quadrilateral are listed in the table below. So first is rectangle. Rectangle में opposite sides equal होंगे, parallel होंगे and all angle of 90 degree. Square, all sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, all angles of 90 degree. Parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal and opposite angles are equal. Rhombus में all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. Trapezium, one pair of opposite sides is parallel. Base angle may or may not be equal. Next is exercise 7.5. Write true or false for each of the following statement. A scalene triangle has two sides equal. In scalene triangle, all three sides are of different measure. So it is false. So we'll write F for it. Clear? Next one is circles. In the previous class, we have read about the circle, radius, diameter, center, chord, circumference, etc. We can draw a circle either by moving the tip of pencil around the bangle or with the help of compass. The circle is a closed figure. First is center. Each point of the circle is at equal distance from the fixed point. जितने भी point होंगे circle पे वो एक fixed point से equal distance पे होते हैं. The fixed point is called the center of the circle in the figure. Point O is the center of circle. यहाँ पे point O जो है that is the center of circle. Next is radius. The distance from the center to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. Circle की जो center है उससे किसी भी एक point पे जो distance है point तक जो distance है that is known as the radius. In figure OC that is a radius. OA that is also radius and OB is also radius. Note that all the radii of the circle are equal in length. जितनी भी radius होंगी सब equal होंगी length में. Next is chord. Chord is a line segment whose end point lie on the circle is called the chord of the circle. In the given figure, DE is a chord. So here you can see DE is a chord. Next is diameter. The chord which passes through the center of the circle is called the diameter. Chord जो center से होके pass होती है that is called diameter. In the figure, AB is the chord passing through the center O. Thus AB क्या हो जाएगी? Diameter of the circle. Clear? Note that the diameter is the longest chord of circle. Next is circumference. The length of the circle or the distance around it is called the perimeter or the circumference of circle. This is called the perimeter of the circumference of the circle. Next one is relationship between radius and diameter of circle. Look at the circle. Here O is the center, OP and OQ are the radii and PQ is the diameter of circle. We know that all the radii of the circle are equal in length. So OP, OQ that is 3 cm equal होंगी. PQ किसके equal हो जाएगा? PQ equal हो जाएगा OP plus OQ. OP plus OQ. 3 plus 3 that is 6 cm. So diameter of the circle क्या होगी यहाँ पे? 6 cm. Hence we can say the length of the diameter of circle is always twice the length of radius. Diameter क्या होगी? Always twice होगी radius की. Next is drawing a circle of given radius. When we draw a circle of any given radius using a compass, let us draw a circle of radius 2 cm. Suppose हमें 2 cm radius का circle draw करना है. Fix a sharpened pencil in the pencil holding arm of the compass. Note that the tip of pencil and the metal tip of the compass are in same level. Pencil की tip, pencil should be sharpened and the tip and the metal tip both should be on same level. Place the metal tip on the compass on the O mark of your scale. Open the compass so that the pencil tip is on 2 cm mark. Scale लेंगे और measure करेंगे. एक जो है tip जो metal वाली है उसको हम 0 पे fix करेंगे and stretch करेंगे pencil को up to 2 cm mark. Now mark a point O in a paper. O paper पे करेंगे. वहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? Metal tip को fix करेंगे and उसके around pencil को move करेंगे. Place the metal tip on the compass on O and turn the compass around so that it traces the circle. Lift the compass, we get a circle of given radius 2 cm. Next is exercise 7.6. Draw a circle and mark its center. So it is a circle and it is its center O. Clear? Next is highlights. When the three sides of triangle are equal in length, it is an equilateral triangle. All its angles are also equal. An isosceles triangle has any two sides equal in length and the angle opposite to the equal sides is equal. When all the three sides of the triangle are unequal in length, it is scalene triangle. A circle is a closed curve such that all points on it are at equal distance from its center. The radius of the circle is half of its diameter. The line segment whose end point lie on the circle is called the chord of the circle. The length of the boundary of circle is called its circumference. Next is Chapter test. With the help of the protractor measure the following angles. So आपको protractor लेना है, angle को measure करना है, you have to write its measurement. Next, classify the following angle as acute, obtuse, right and straight angle. So first is 46 degree. It is less than 90 degree, more than 0 degree. So it is an acute angle. Clear? So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.